Disclaimer: before we begin, it's crucial to clarify that this video is made exclusively for educational and informational purposes. The content presented does not in any way constitute financial advice or a solicitation to invest. Trading involves significant risks, and past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Always consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. Are you tired of basing your trading decisions on instinct or endless analysis? What if we could use the power of machine learning to analyze the market and identify the best opportunities every single day, automatically? Welcome. In this video, I will guide you step by step inside our prediction system for the S&P 500. We will see together how we transform raw data into clear and reliable trading signals. Let's get started. Phase 1. Data, the fuel of the system. It all starts here, the data phase. Our system first loads a selected list of 30 stocks from the S&P 500. Immediately after, it downloads 5 years of historical data for each of them. If a stock does not have enough data for a robust analysis, it is simply discarded to ensure the reliability of the process. But the real heart of this phase is feature engineering. We don't just give our model the price, we provide it with context. We calculate over 35 technical indicators, from moving averages to RSI, from volume analysis to candlestick patterns. We are creating a complete financial ID card for every single trading day. Phase 2. Artificial intelligence at work. Once the data is prepared, it's time to train our artificial brain. For each individual stock, we train a machine learning model, specifically a LightGBM, to predict whether the next day's price will go up or down. But how do we know if the model is reliable? With rigorous validation. We use a technique called time series cross-validation, which simulates real market conditions by testing the model on past data it has never seen, without ever peeking into the future. Only models that exceed a minimum accuracy threshold are allowed to proceed. The others are discarded. No performance, no predictions. Phase 3. From probability to an operational signal. For the approved models, the prediction phase begins. The system generates a probability of an increase for the next trading day. But a simple probability isn't enough. We're looking for certainty. We transform this probability into a clear, operational signal. If the probability of an increase is above 60%, we have a strong long signal. If it is below 40%, we have a strong short signal. All uncertain results in the middle zone are simply ignored. Finally, the system ranks all identified opportunities based on the strength of the signal to highlight only the best ones. Let's take a quick look at the code. Init of self, this is the class constructor. It initializes the main variables such as the list of tickers, the start and end dates for the analysis, and the dictionaries that will contain data, features, and models. List stocks, a static function that returns a predefined list of 30 tickers of companies belonging to the S&P 500 index. Download data, self, handles the downloading of historical data, open, close, high, low, and volume for each ticker in the list using the Y-Finance library. Create features, data, ticker, the most complex function. Starting from the raw data of a single stock, it calculates a series of technical indicators, features such as moving averages, RSI, MACD, volatility, etc., which will be used by the model to make predictions. Prepare features data. Applies the create features function to all tickers for which data has been downloaded, thus preparing the complete data set for training. Train models. Trains a machine learning model, specifically LightGBM, for each individual ticker using the previously created features. It splits the data into training and test sets to validate performance. Generate predictions. Once the models are trained, this function uses them to generate a prediction, rise or fall, for the next trading day for each ticker. Get trading opportunities, predictions DF. Filters the generated predictions to identify the best trading opportunities, selecting the stocks with the highest probability of a rise, long opportunities, and those with the highest probability of a fall, short opportunities. Display results, predictions DF, long ops, short ops. Prints the analysis results to the screen in a readable format, showing the best long and short opportunities and general statistics on model performance. Run complete analysis. Executes the entire process in sequence by calling all the previous functions: data download, feature creation, model training, prediction generation, and results display. And this is the final result. A clear and concise dashboard that presents the 5 best bullish and the 5 best bearish opportunities each day, ready to be analyzed. As you've seen, this is not a magic system, but a logical, data-driven workflow that combines technical analysis, machine learning, and rigorous validation to turn market noise into clear signals. Thanks for watching. If you are curious to explore the source code of this project or want to contribute to its development, you can find the link to our official GitHub repository in the description below.